to Cooking with Mommy. Here's what we got from the Filipino store, Asian store,
An Asian store.
and Sea Fresh.
Yeah. Filipino store. Sea Fresh. Okay, that's that. Okay, what we have here is
Bread.
it's a bread. And this one, says turmeric.
Chocolate.
Yeah, we love curly tops. Nagaraya.
Nagaraya.
And what's this one here?
What's that?
That's ampalaya. We call it's bitter, but it's good for you. And this one over here, baby.
Cream.
We have a lot of coconut milk. I use a lot of coconut milk.
Show them something else.
Huh?
Show them something else.
I did.
We got the shrimp thingies.
We have a banana here for, we will make a banana
Cute.
cue.
Small banana cubes.
This one is for pancit bihon. This one is pancit canton. And we have this
Spicy vinegar. 2 cans of it.
And we have a lot of ginger over here because I will make ginger tea.
And we got long beans.
Have eggplants over here.
Noodles.
And this one is,
I already said them.
what is it?
I don't want to say it again.
String beans.
I already said that.
Okay. And we have a sesame seeds for our binangkal. And this one is for what? Binignit.
It's really tasty.
Yeah. We'll make egg rolls.
Egg roll.
What, beef egg rolls? I have those, and then the crackers. And what else? Bok choy here. Bok choy for our tinola.
It's really late.
Late what? Here, grated cassava. A banana ketchup. Sweet chili sauce for egg roll sauce. And what else do we have over here? That's probably it. That's our grocery haul for today.